Hello. Hello, hello. This is Take a Bow by Rihanna. Hope you like it. Oh, I'm at a round of applause. Yeah, a standing ovation. Oh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. You look so dumb right now, standing outside my house, trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you grab lace. Just cut it out. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're always sorry you got caught. But you put on that show, really had me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. Now it's got to show. Very entertaining, but it's over now. But it's over now. What it take about. Oh, oh, oh. Grab your clothes and get gone. Get gone. You better hurry up before the sprinklers come on. Talking about, girl, I love you. You're the one. This just looks like a rerun place. All else is all. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're always sorry you got caught. But you put on that show, really had me going. And now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. Now it's quite slow. Very entertaining, but it's over now. But it's over now. What it take about. Oh, Andy, oh, what for the best line of you, for making me believe that you could be faithful to me. Let's hear your speech out. Have a round of applause. Standing ovation, but you put on that show, really had me going. And now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. Now it's quite a show. Very entertaining, yeah, yeah. It's over now. But it's over now. All it takes. But it's over now. Stop.